Meaning of impetuously.
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 Impetuously. The term impetuously refers to acting or speaking without careful consideration, often in a sudden and rash manner. When someone behaves impetuously, they are likely to make decisions based on emotions or impulses rather than reason. The consequences of impetuous behavior can vary widely, but often result in negative outcomes such as regret, conflict, or harm to oneself or others. The impulsivity associated with this trait can be detrimental to relationships and decision-making processes, making it important for individuals to learn how to control their impulses and consider the consequences of their actions.